Myself Dandala Pranav, pursuing FY BCom from SDJIC. My roll number is 107, Division A. I am here to present my assignment 4. Introduction. The insurance business in India was in the status of a private business during 1938 to 1956 and earlier. It has been collected that there were 245 companies performing this insurance business in 1956. Even though so many private companies were in the insurance business, the government was not satisfied by life insurance business carried out by them. Hence, on 19 January 1956, the life insurance business was nationalized by taking over all the liabilities of the existing 245 companies insurance business. The government then established an autonomous body called Life Insurance Corporation (LIC) of India on September 1st, 1956 to look after the managerial task of life insurance business. From 1956 onward, this LIC is functioning in India and it has put in various types of insurance plans to fulfill the interest of the insured. LIC of India is the greatest financial enterprise or organization in the public sector. As per the different need or necessity of the insured, the LIC has planned out 50 types of insurance policy. It is true that this life policy is a means of providing protection as well as easy way of saving the assured. Life insurance is a contract in which the insurer agrees to pay an assured sum against the regular periodical premium collected from the insured. Life insurance results into a substantial amount at the time of maturity of the policy or at the premium death, whichever is earlier. Not only the insured or his nominee gets the assured sum from life but also gets some bonus too. We know that everybody has to die at some time. Sri Kabir has rightly quoted. Meaning to say that death is natural, everybody has to die and it is certain. Through death is certain, it happenings, time is uncertain. So a person has to ensure himself against the risk of his life. If the insured dies at immature time, then the assured amount will be helpful to his family for maintaining, and if he lives a long life, then the assured amount will be helpful to maintain his old age with ease. So the assured feel himself secure after taking the life insurance policy. Hence, insured themselves not become they are to die but of someone else to survive. In insurance, the insurance policy is a contract between the insurer and the policyholder, which determine the claim which the insurer is legally to required to pay. In exchange of an internal payment known as the premium, the insurer promises to pay for loss caused by partial covered under the policy language. When the term of assurance extends to cover whole life until that of the life assured, it is known as whole life policy. Intended to provide life insurance protection over one's lifetime, provides for payment of the assured amount open to ensure that regarding of when it occurs. You pay premium as long as you live. Until your death, amount of premium depends on your age when you start the policy. It is beneficial to the nominee or beneficiaries. Here, protection of a family is given due importance. The policy does not have any element of investment. Now that there is an extension in whole life policy, if the assurance survive up to the age of 100 years, the sum assured is paid to the assured himself. Theoretically, the premium under the policy must be paid until death. The assured sum becomes payable only after the death of the assured. It is clear that this policy is not useful because the premium are to be paid for a very long period and only the death risk is covered and premium are lost. LIC nowadays settles the payment of some assured and accrued bonus
If the assured attains the age of 80, even the premium are low, their policies are not very popular. Advantage of whole life insurance. Rate of premium is less. The assured sum of the policy is received after the death of the assured. The benefit of policy goes to heirs of a decision. It can be converted into the type of policy. This policy is convenient to pay inheritance tax. Disadvantage of whole life insurance. Since the insurer has to pay premium for the whole life in old age, income becomes limited, so it becomes difficult to pay the premium. If the man lives for a long time, the premium amount may covers over the insured sum.